Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your Gmail account is active and not over quota, because storage blocks incoming mail. Next, open settings and check filters and forwarding. Remove or pause any rule that moves or deletes messages. Then inspect spam and all mail. Sometimes messages are auto-classified. Once done, make sure IMAP/POP are configured only if you use them. Incorrect client settings can pull mail away. Now proceed to deeper delivery troubleshooting. You now run diagnostics to find where delivery stops. First, search all mail and spam for a known sender. Use the sender's exact address. Then check blocked addresses and filters again. A single rule can archive every incoming message. Next, review connected apps and devices, revoke any suspicious third-party access, and confirm IMAP/POP settings match Gmail's recommended values so another client isn't removing mail. Finally, scan recent security events and verify recovery options are intact. Finish by applying targeted fixes and testing delivery. Disable forwarding and delete suspicious filters, then send yourself a new test email to confirm receipt. If delivery still fails, reset your password and enable two-step verification to stop unauthorized changes. Reauthorize any mail clients after that. If nothing changes, collect evidence, timestamps, sender addresses, and bounce messages, and use Gmail's support tools. Troubleshooting tip: if mail bounces, copy the full bounce text. It usually reveals the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.